Ripped your favorite jeans? Save them with these iron-on patch hacks. Did a hole in your jeans rip bigger than you wanted it to? Sew the ripped clothes loosely using a needle and thread, then, using an iron-on patch, mend the rip to keep it from tearing further. Make sure you iron the patch on the inside of your garment. These patches are washable, so you can wash your jeans as needed. Ripped your belt loop while putting on your jeans? Simply cut an iron-on patch down to about double the size of the hole, iron it on, and using a needle and thread, sew the belt loop back in place for extra reinforcement so the belt loop can be even stronger than it was before. Wore down the inner thigh of your jeans to the point where they're ripping? Iron a patch onto the inner thigh. If you want extra reinforcement, sew back and forth along the vertical threads in a color that matches your jeans. Now, you're ready to wear the heck out of them again. Thanks for watching this OFS video. I hope these iron-on patch hacks help you fix your favorite jean apparel.